Ah! Who's your favorite? Bruce the shark. But who's your favorite Disney guy?
Yes.
Oh, he's now? I thought it was, yeah, that one. Who's that? Donald. Is that Nemo in there?
Yep.
These are cool. We call these our guys, don't we?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Dora, and oh, there's the turtle, and oh my gosh, you're going so fast.
Eeyore.
Oh, is it you? I thought that was
Dora. Not
Dora. This is Dora the fish. Right? Is it Dora? Dory.
Dory.
Not Dora.
Not Dora the Explorer.
Dory. Who's that guy?
Let me get him out.
Who's that guy that you're trying to pull out there?
Oh, there he is.
Who is it? Winnie. Name each of them as you pull them out. We don't know all those princesses. We haven't watched any of those movies. Who's that?
Scar.
Scar. What does Scar say? Father. Who's that guy? Well, you're not even looking at him.
I'm looking at him.
Alright.
There's this guy. The witch.
So we call them our guys, but there's a bunch of princesses in here who are all ladies.
So do we call it guys and gals?
Yeah, do we call them the guys and the ladies?
It's called.
Where are we going to store all these guys?
And gals.
Where do we keep them? What's that called? The guys bin. That's where we keep all of our guys. Yep, okay, let's just put them right away.
That's the first.
No playing, let's just clean up. That's our guys bin.
That's my guy's name.
That's where we put all of our guys. That's how we clean up. Right, Ruby? Whose birthday is it today? Who's Coda's? Yeah, we just like the shark.
Don't forget Woody. It's by your knee. And Buzz by Mama here.
Cool. You have so many guys.
Mommy.
Here.
Like that.
There we go. They're just a little tricky, some of them.
Oh, put him in jack.
Wow. There we go. Hey, what do we say?
Thank you, Grandma.
No, not Grandma Sue.
Grandma Nichols.
Grandma Nichols.
Oh, we almost got it. Oh. That's the mouth of the camera.
Alright. Who's that? We don't know who that is either.
Mommy?